Hey folks, excuse me as I'm still in bed, but I got a tough decision to make right now. Um, do I take the bus to the shop on Friday? Do I take it to this reputable shop that was recommended to me? It costs $2,150 to get the engine swap there, but they probably definitely would do a good job, 100%. I think so. Or do I take a risk and go with this guy that I met at the bar that I DJ at? Because I always tell a story about how I got here. And this guy came to me. He said he swaps engines all the time. He used to work at a shop. He said he'll come to the bus and he'll swap the engine in place, and I don't have to pay him anything until the bus is running and working. And he's gonna charge me half the price, about $1,000. What do you guys think? Should I consider this guy? I mean, I am considering it, but should I go with this guy who's going to charge me half the price, or should I go with the shop that's going to charge me $2,150? What do you guys think? And I still don't have that money yet, guys. Fixthatbus.com. I appreciate all the new donations. So many donations coming in, but please keep them coming. This is the final stretch. Thank you.